In our last example, we'll again factor the numerator and denominator. X plus 3 over x plus 3 will cancel, leaving us with just x plus 8. We have no expression in the denominator, so there will be no vertical asymptotes. In terms of the horizontal or oblique asymptotes, we'll consider k of x approaching x squared over x, which will give us x, again, to the first power. So that's a case where we need to find the equation for our oblique asymptote. We'll do that by dividing these two expressions, which in this case we can actually do using synthetic division, since we only have a binomial in the denominator. We'll drop down that first term and then multiply to get negative 3, add together to get negative 8, multiply together to get negative 24, and add together to get 0, meaning we have an oblique asymptote defined by the line y equals x plus 8. So we have an oblique asymptote. We also can see that our function k of x reduced to just x plus 8, which is a linear function. So it's actually going to be a direct map over that oblique asymptote in this case. So here that asymptote and the line itself are exactly identical to each other. The one difference will be, since negative 3 is still a restricted value for our domain, we'll have an open circle at negative 3. And again, the reason there is because that the domain of our function is negative infinity to negative 3, union negative 3 to infinity. So at negative 3, at any value that's restricted for our domain, we either have to have an open circle or a horizontal asymptote. Since x plus 3 canceled out, simplified with our original problem, we have no vertical asymptote, so we have that open circle.